Throughout the day, no matter whatever you are doing, no matter whatever they are doing, one thing is common among all, and that is thinking. Yes, that's only one thing that can decide majority of your results. So you can simply say, if you are able to improve your thinking, your way of thinking, so you can automatically improve your way of actions. Your results automatically starts improving. That simple fact. You need to understand it. But now let's understand this, that how much we are able to lies in which category of thinking and what it impacts. See, there are only two types of category thinking. Maybe there more exist, but still I just figure out these two. Right. First one is that visual thinking. Okay. If you're lying in this category, I think you are not able to produce better outcome. Because in this category, what people thought of, they want to create something that is not existed today. Okay. And they are so motivated. They think that everything is possible if they had a determination to do. But suppose if you really want to create Marvel Avengers in real life, Iron Man in real life, Superman in real life, I'm not saying it impossible. Maybe it is possible in coming 1000 or 2000 years when the technology exists to produce that kind of stuff. But who knows, we will not get there, right? But talking about today, we don't have any technology like this to produce these kind of humans in real life. So if anyone is so determined, so motivated, so powerful, and you're gonna start with doing it, it comes with nothing. Because in the end, he figured out that he makes himself fool. One thing is important. In this way of thinking, you must have understand the reality facts and between the actual facts, right? Or you can say fictional facts. So never consider, it's not like that you have the money and you can have the team, you can produce whatever you want. No, still you need the reality, you need the existence. Without it, you cannot produce anything whatever you want, no matter how intelligent you are, right? It is not like that you are able to defend the gravity. No, it's a universal law. If someone thinks about, I'm gonna defend the gravity, no matter what it's gonna take, I'm able to do it. But it's not possible. It's a universal law. If someone said, I'm gonna reach at the sun and gonna create any kind of stuff which not able to burn, still it's a fool, right? So understand this. Don't lie in wishful thinking. It's good for children, not for adults. Because if you really want to create some impact. Now talking about second one, that's the most crucial and important thing that you have it. That is critical thinking. Yes, without critical thinking, you cannot produce better results. You can produce results, I'm not saying, but you cannot produce absolute awesome better results. Right? How? Let's understand this simple concept. Suppose if you want to start any kind of yoga center or maybe coaching center in your area, and that you figure out how many coaching centers are already existed, and you find out there are 2 or 3. Now the second thing you came up with, that how much student they have, what's their unique properties of selling, right? What their uniqueness, what the services they are giving, which I'm not able to do, right? And after figuring out these 2 or 3 concepts in your area, you analyze it very well. Now you came up on your own idea, you came up on your own institute, right? That what uniqueness I'm going to provide to my students. And when you have this purpose, so I'm not saying it is very essential, but I'm just saying it's a way of critical thinking. You don't need to put a lot of hours into it, not a lot of days into it, just a single day for simple research, not more than that. But that 1 or 2 days decide your coming 6 to 7 months, because now you're aware about it. Now you have the better strategies in market. Not in this way. In India, I think critical thinking is very important, because you see that WhatsApp messages spread like a fire. Just like that, send this messages to become lucky. Send this messages to be rich one day, right? If you don't send this message, if you ignore this message, your bad luck starts. I mean, what the nonsense is that going on, right? If the peoples in India, I'm not saying they're bad, but the critical thinking is important. It is missing hugely in India, right? So if you are thinking about it, just a digital message coded into binary code, sends over one network to another one. Only one thing is happen: data charges may apply. Nothing more than that, right? So make sure that you're not lying in that category. Whatever you're doing, you are able to think about it. Okay, and think it not in terms of your fictional. Don't do it in terms of wishful thinking, in terms of reality based, in terms of real data, in terms of real facts and figures. And when you analyze these 2-3 steps, you automatically comes on critical thinking. You don't need to do all efforts into it. For the market, you start purchasing the stuffs not by seeing the advertisement on television, but by understanding the needs of your own and understanding the concept that what it takes to build that product. Like if you go for a mall and you start buying, beverages like Pepsi and whatever it is. I'm not saying it is bad. I'm just saying don't buy it just because seeing someone else or in a television. Make sure you have the proper knowledge and proper way of thinking towards that product, towards that situation, towards that people. And when you have it, you start observing that your life starts improving a little bit, right? And when you're continuing it, your life starts improving dramatically. And not in this terms. In future, whatever you're gonna start it, I'm damn sure you're gonna be perfect at it, because now you developed the way of critical thinking. Now third one, thinking is common that people are lying it. They are in the way of combination of these critical thinking and wishful thinking. When you combine them, you will find that 95% people are stuck into that combination, where the wishful thinking is a little bit higher. Wishful thinking is a little bit higher. Sending the WhatsApp messages without thinking about is wishful thinking, because you are not considering the reality or actual facts. You're considering the fictional fact that somebody told you. If you don't do it, you will suffer this. Someone told you, you usually believe on that. So don't lie in that category. Be smart. Understand the simple concept of critical thinking. And that's it for today. Meet you next one. Stay healthy, stay happy.